Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Duet Night Abyss game. Crashing, not launching, not working, keep stopping, lagging, freezing or any other kind of issues on Android phones. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your device once. For that, press volume up plus power button and click on restart. Now this will restart your device. After restarting your device, now check if the Duet Night Abyss game is launching or not. Next is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then move to mobile data or do vice versa and then check if the game is launching or not. Next solution is to close background apps. So if there is any background apps running, you have to close it. Make sure you don't miss this step. Simply have to go to click on three dot icon and then click on the cross icon, and this will close the background apps that is running. And after that, try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. Now the next method is to force stop the games. For that, hold the game icon over here, then click on force app info. Now here you can see the force stop option. Simply click on it and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. After that, try to open the game and see if it's launching or not. If not, you are also suggested to clear the cache of that particular game. So for that, click on storage and cache option, then click on clear cache, and after that launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If not, you should also check whether the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Duet Night Abyss game. Now here you should check if any update is available. If any update is there, you simply need to click on update option, and after updating your game, check if the problem is fixed. You should also check whether your phone needs any kind of update. So for that, go to settings. Now go below and here click on system update. Here click on system update, and after that check if any OS update is available. If yes, then click on it, and after updating your OS to the latest version, check if the problem is fixed and you can play the game. Next solution is to check storage capacity. So for that, go to settings. Now here you have to click on RAM and storage, and you should check if there is enough storage available. If there is less space, you are suggested to remove or uninstall the data or content or apps or some games that is of no use, and after that try to launch the game and see if this solution helps to resolve the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Duet Night Abyss game. So you are suggested to hold the game icon over here, then click on uninstall icon and then click on uninstall. Now this will remove the game completely from your device. Once done, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game once again, Duet Night Abyss, and here you will get the installation. Simply click on install, and after that wait for a few moments until the game is installed on your device, and after that again try to play it and see if you can play it without any kind of errors or issues. So I hope you liked the video. So that's all for now. Thank you.